Alright. First, let me just kind of peek in here. I'll blow a little smoke. Sounds like bones breaking, doesn't it? That looks pretty good. I'm gonna take this out real quick so I don't spill it. There we go. I see some small beetles there, but it's not new. So it's not a great recording with the sun behind me, but if I stand out like this, you kind of see. So I got 4 of these, one here, in one box here, and then 4 in the box here. I'm gonna take them out, treat with that formic acid. So the extended release is a lower dose, slow release, and it's been, I think, pretty much well beyond the 50 something days on the high end. So it's not like I'm just jumping from one treatment to the next. I mean, I am, but I'm okay with that. Looks like I just